Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In my today's video, I'm going to show you how to make rose water which is steam distilled and which can be the purest form of rose water which you can make at home. The purest form of rose water has many benefits. It can maintain the pH balance of your skin, control excess oil. It has anti-inflammatory properties which reduce redness of irritated skin. It also can enhance your mood because of the aroma of the rose water, which is very pure when you make in this way. And it also nourishing and moisturizing properties which can enhance the quality of your skin and hair. And also it has very powerful antioxidants which can reduce fine lines and wrinkles. To make rose water, all you need is a bunch of roses. So here I have a bunch of roses which I had been using it for a decoration purpose. This is not fresh but good enough to be made into rose water. You can also use roses of garlands or even bouquets. You can also purchase fresh roses from the market, or if you have a garden of roses, you can use them. First thing you need to do is separate the petals from the stalk and wash the petals and keep it ready. Here I have plateful of rose petals which will be made into rose water. I will be getting at least half a cup of rose water. To make this steam distilled rose water, you should always use a double boiler method where you mix water and rose petals together and keep a center bowl so that you can collect water. Otherwise follow like how I do here in this video. First thing, I have a double boiler with me where I'm going to heat water in the base bowl which with 3/4 of the capacity, and I'm going to place a top bowl which is perforated, that is which has holes in it. So once the water starts to heat, you need to drop all the rose petals like how I show here. The rose petals, I'm not going to mix it with water. It is dry. It is placed on the top bowl which has holes in it. I'll make a small space in between so that I can place a bowl to collect the rose water. I am using a glass bowl here. You can also use a steel bowl. And then I'm going to cover it with the lid, which is again a glass lid. You can, so that you can see how it happens. You can also use a steel lid. Once the water starts to heat, the vapor gets collected at the base of the lid. So after 5 to 10 minutes, you will observe the water has vaporized. The steam gets collected at the base of the lid. So this, once you lift the lid, the steam condenses. That means it becomes water and drop. You can hold it upright so that the water drops into the bowl. So again, you can repeat this process every 5 to 10 minutes and collect the water, which is the rose water, into the bowl which you have kept at the center. So as you do this, the rose water gets collected into the bowl, and you will be getting the purest form of rose water. This may take several attempts, and it may take more than half an hour. You can do this until the rose starts becoming brown or becomes very soft. You can stop at that time. So as I do this, I will be getting at least a quarter cup of rose water, which is very pure and it smells divine. You have to smell it to know how the rose water is so pure. Again, this is the most cost effective way of making rose water at its purest form, and you can be doubly sure that this doesn't contain any preservatives. This rose petals can also be used as a face pack. You can grind it and apply it on your face. You need not waste them. So this rose water is ready. You can use it as it is. You can transfer this into your bottle and store it for 2 to 3 months in the refrigerator and use whenever you want. Here I am going to add few drops of essential oils for extra benefit. I am using tea tree oil, turmeric essential oil, and mint essential oil to this rose water so that I'll get that added benefit. You can mix all this and store it into the spray bottle and keep it in your refrigerator. So this rose water has various benefits which will tone your skin, improve the pH balance of your skin. It maintains the pH balance of your skin. You can use it as a facial mist. You can spray it on your body as a perfume, and you can also use it as a toner, and you can use it on your eyes by spraying it on a pad and keeping it on your eyes for a few minutes, and then you'll feel fresh and relaxed. You can mix with face pack and apply it on your face too. So there are lots of benefits. Use this, try this method and see how it works for you. If you like such DIYs, Please subscribe, like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.